warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let us introduce our teams. My name is Mailani Putri, and I'm here with my teams, Dwi Amelia, Nadia Haryanti, and Tasha Armandari. Today, we would like to present our study, Regional Segmentation, based on plantation commodity production in Indonesia using the key MENS algorithm. This study is part of the data mining course. In this presentation, we will discuss the problem, the method, and the objective. So let's start with the problem and method. Next slide. Okay, first let's talk about the problem. The production of plantation commodities varies across different regions in Indonesia. Therefore, grouping regions based on similar characteristics is necessary. By grouping regions with similar production characteristics, we can better understand the similarities and differences between regions. Next, I will explain the method. This study, we use the Keyman's algorithm. The Keyman's method was selected because this study aims to perform clustering without class label. So, Keyman's is used to group region based on the similarity of their plantation commodity production. Now, let's move to the next slide. Which is the objective? There are several objectives in this study. First, grouping region based on the production characteristic of plantation commodities. Second, identifying production similarity patterns across regions. Third, determining the appropriate number of clusters for the subsequent analysis stage. And the last one is providing an overview of the characteristic of each region group. Those are the main objectives of our study. That's all from me. For the next part, I would like to invite my friend Nadia Haryanti to continue the presentation.
Okay, next. Now let's move on to the dataset. The initial dataset consists of 1003 rows of data and covers several years. The dataset contains information about the production of several agricultural commodities, including oil palm, coconut, rubber, coffee, cocoa, sugarcane, tea, and tobacco. The analysis is computed at the regency or city level, which allows us to compare production across different regions. This dataset will be used as the main core for the analysis and clustering process. And the next. Okay, next. I will explain the data sources and structure. First, the dataset is used as regional level data on plantation commodity production. This means that the data represents production information from different regions. Second, the dataset contains several important variables such as region, year, and the production of different commodities. This variable will be used in the analysis. Before performing the clustering process, the data needs to be prepared and checked. The processing include checking the data types, missing values, and scarcity columns, and numerical consistency. The next part of the presentation will be explained by my colleague.
The pre-processing that has been designed. Process 1, process 2, process 3, 4, and 5. Process 1, delete unused columns. Process 2, converting production data info numerical format. Process 3, handling null values in production variables. Process 4, engineering data by regency or city so that each area consultation a single clustering object. Process 5. Perform transformation and standardization before K-means. Next. Methods. 1. Collect Udah? Method 1. Collection and examination of dataset. 2. Data pre-processing. 3. Explorasi data analysis. 4. Data transformation and standardization. 5. Determining K-weights, the elbow method and Hot score. 6. K-means clustering. 7. Interpretation of cluster result. Next.
Okay, at this stage, we have completed around 50% of our projects. First, we have established the research title and topic. We have also completed the background and objective of the project. Next, we have collect and understood the dataset, including the variable that will be used for the analysis. We have also determined the data source and designed the pre-processing step that will be applied to the dataset. So at this stage, we research compact and data preparation plan have been established. The next step is to complete the data processing and continue with the K-means clustering process. Next. Okay, that's all for our 50% progress presentation. At this stage, our research focus, dataset, and pre-processing plan have been established. In this next stage, we will continue with data processing, clustering, evaluation, and interpretation of the results. Thank you for attention. That's all from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.